my name is Amber LaRock and I am a staff writer with Emergency Vets USA as well as a licensed veterinary technician. Our goal at Emergency Vets USA is to educate you on topics regarding your pet's health. So today we'll be discussing whether or not you can make your dog vomit at home. This is actually kind of a last resort now for most veterinary professionals, as we would prefer for you to bring your dog into the clinic for us to induce vomiting safely, because there are just a lot of risks associated with inducing vomiting for your dog at home. So in this article, we'll dive into all of the details and answer any questions as to why this is not a safe option. So making your dog throw up is a wonderful option if they ate something they shouldn't have. Whether they ate material they shouldn't have and you want to get it out of the stomach before it passes on to the intestines, or if they ate a potentially toxic substance, you can get it out of the stomach before it has a chance to absorb further into the body. While you can technically make your dog vomit at home by giving them hydrogen peroxide by mouth, it does come with its own set of risks, and this is why most veterinary professionals would prefer for your dog to come into the clinic. We will administer a medication IV that will make them immediately nauseous, and they will immediately vomit up the material that's in their stomach. Not only does this ensure that they are being monitored throughout the vomiting process, but it can also allow your vet to sift through the vomit, as gross as it may sound, but it can let us know if your dog did truly vomit up all of the material that we were trying to get out of their stomach, and also that they didn't have any complications throughout vomiting. And these are some things that you just can't always do by yourself at home. When making your dog vomit at home, you do always run into the risk of them potentially aspirating the vomit, which means they are inhaling the vomit or even the hydrogen peroxide into their lungs. You could run a risk of making them vomit up something that could be potentially corrosive to their esophagus, which just basically means that it can burn the esophagus on the way up. If they ate something that broke into tiny sharp pieces, this can severely injure their esophagus while they are vomiting. And also, if they ate something that could be a choking hazard, your dog could begin to choke. And if you don't have immediate access to oxygen, this is really dangerous. All of the risks that we just discussed are why most vets recommend that you just come in to be safe. Of course, there are those situations to where you are not close to your veterinary clinic, so you can always call your veterinarian and ask for their guidance. They can give you a safe dose of hydrogen peroxide and work you through it. But if you have the option of coming into your vet's office, we always suggest that you do that. For more information on inducing vomiting in dogs, be sure to review the article that is attached to this video, but stay tuned to Emergency Vets USA for more topics on pet health.